This video will help you with this step-by-step guide on how to get approval from Google AdSense as fast as possible in less than 48 hours and even without content. All you need to do is to follow these 7 steps. 1. 3 must-have pages. You must add popular pages like the Contact Us page, privacy policy, and terms. How do we do that? There are free tools online to generate these pages, such as Privacy Policy Page Generator and Terms and Conditions Generator. Simply with one click you can create the page and paste it inside your website, so create a Privacy Policy Page Terms and the Contact Us page. 2. Get Google Analytics and Search Console. Make sure you add your website to both the Google Analytics and Google Search Console so that Google can track and index your website. This step is a very important step and very easy to do. This plugin will help you quickly get this set up. Site Kit by Google plugin. Search for this plugin from the Add New Plugin tab in your WordPress. Install and activate the plugin. You'll be able to configure analytics and Search Console accounts for your new site. 3. Organize. Create categories. Make sure you add a list and categories to organize your website. Google likes to see organized websites, so make sure you add the list and categorize your website into subcategories and pages. Otherwise, your website will look underdeveloped, and you may get rejected because your site looks as if it's in the development stage. 4. Themes and plugins. You will have to use a clean and simple theme to look professional. You can use a free theme with some free plugins like a Jetpack Yoast SEO, WP Supercache, and lots more. It must just look simple, nice, and clean. That's it. Just make sure the branding is good and your website looks somehow professional like this. It's simple and clean. Five, more posts. If you already have a blog and you publish articles and posts, make sure you publish between 15 to 20 posts before applying to Google AdSense. Now, to be clear, this is not a requirement from Google, but from my experience, I found if you have 20 articles, it will be better. When I applied, I had about 15 posts and got approved within 24 hours. Some bloggers got approval with 9 posts and 10 posts. Yes, it does. In general, in my experience, it is better to have 15 to 20 posts to be on the safer side. 6. Get Google indexing. In my experience, it is always better to wait between 30 and 45 days before applying to Google AdSense. Don't just publish your website and submit a request. Wait for it to have Google index your website. It may take 1 month or 45 days. Add some extra content and make sure it's complete. When Google checks your website, it will look like a live website and not something in development, so is patient and wait for at least 30 to 45 days before applying. 7. A tool site. One of the main and most important factors to get fast approval with Google AdSense without a piece of content is to buy scripts from Code Canyon, install it on your site, and that's all. SEO Analyzer is a tool site, also textsharing.com. Even if you don't have any one piece of content on your site, you'll quickly get accepted. You don't need to publish any content, you just need to get more visitors and earn more money. How do you get quick approval from tool sites? From my experience, I've noticed if you want to get approval quickly, for example, in 24 hours for any website, even these sites, one thing that will do that is get 10,000 page views per month, and page views, not visitors. So by simple arithmetic, it's about 333 page views per day. Believe me, if you work 1 to 2 hours a day max, you can get much more so while waiting 30 to 45 days before applying to Google AdSense this month. Just work 1 to 2 hours a day to get those page views. Hope you got some idea through this video. Thank you for watching.